in short how I made it yesterday. First, I made a salty soap solution by mixing soap and salt with water. Then I crushed a banana in another bowl. Then I poured the salty soap solution onto the crushed banana. Then I poured some isopropyl alcohol on top of it, and then this white stuff started forming, which is the DNA. So let me pick it up. As you can see, I have taken some DNA on the slide plate, and now let's take a look under the microscope. I've kept it under the microscope, and now let me try to see what is inside it. Wow! Can you see the cells? This is actually the DNA of a banana. Isn't it fun? Do try this experiment at home and enjoy the magic of science. Bye-bye!